Good morning, everybody. It is February the 2nd of 2021, and this is our IPSY day. This is a day where we get to see our choices for our GLAM bag, what they chose for us, and then get to choose some add-ons. Or it is the GLAM Bag Plus Day, where you guys get to choose 3 products of choices. Or for me, it is the GLAM Bag X Day, where they chose 5 products for me, and I still get to choose 3. I did do a video on that, the GLAM Bag X. I will leave that linked down below. This video is solely going to be on the add-ons that are the choices that show up after you make those choices, which I did on the GLAM Bag X. Or when you just get the GLAM bag, you can usually get into your add-ons right away. All right, so I'm going to go back into my screen that it popped up. And then I said, you know what, before I even look at anything, I'm going to sit down and show you guys what all those options are. All right, okay, here we go. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. The first bundle is a $25 bundle. This is and what I do is I try to go through, and if it's products that I know, I try to give you a little bit of take on it. But if they're new to me, I try my best to tell you the information. The first item here, these are all new to me, that's why I'm saying that, is the Satcho Beauty. This looks like it's a facial roller, and the product that's beside it is something that I have in a stone. I think it's a jade stone, and that's supposed to help with circulation and helping with, building up massaging your face muscles and things like that. The next item is from Farsali, and this looks like it's 3 of their elixirs, and their products are fantastic, but these look like they might be the smaller versions, which is really fun. This is, they're saying a $66 value, and they put it into this bundle that's $25. I love that. This might be different because this is coming out of my GLAM X section, not my GLAM bag. So this is saying it's a GLAM Bag X exclusive, where I can choose the brow shaping wax in clear, and then the major brow shaping wax in tinted. Also looks like it is one that has a color. And then the next 2 are, which I'm really excited about, is that there's the GLAM Bag X exclusive. They have it in she's seductive and she's passionate. And I think these are 2 colors. I don't know where I marked down the one that I was getting, are different than the one that they chose for me. So I think the one they chose for me, for some reason, I'm thinking she's adorable. So I love that if I wanted another color, that would be an option for me as well. So I think that's great. The next set of options here are the $18 section. And this is saying it is full size. And they have the option of the Goat Milk Cleanser from Kate Somerville. They have the Universal Skin Refiner. This was one of my choices in my GLAM Bag X in one of the choices. And this they're saying is an $80 value, and I can get it for $18. Then they have from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Mist. This I own and enjoy, and I've gotten it, I think, from the BoxyCharm pop-up. I'm pretty sure, but this is really enjoyable. The next item is from Dr. Brandt Skincare. It's the Hydro Recovering Sleeping Mask. I own this, I enjoy this, and I've really enjoyed it. I think I got a second one in a duplicate box, and I really enjoyed it. The next item, which I think is fantastic, is from Makeup Forever. It's giving us a choice of foundation. So if you know your color, if not, pause and then go on to the Makeup Forever website and check if this is something of interest to you. But this is a $43 foundation for $18. The next item is from Juice Beauty. It is an age-defying moisturizer. Juice Beauty is a really high-end and also result-driven brand. I have tried a few of their products and I've really enjoyed it. 111 Skin, you know, every time there's a 111 Skin that I've had the opportunity to get it through points or to get it as a choice item, I have, and I have enjoyed a lot of their products. I even did a separate video on everything 111 Skin, and this is their sports booster. Here's another GLAM X exclusive. It's called the Pink Lotus Renewal Eye Cream, and it is from Yensa. Then from Dose of Colors, they have a lip gloss duo. And if you want to know more about the colors, all you do is click on the picture and it brings you to another screen where it gives you more information on what the colors are. Then beside it, they have from Morphe a 3-piece brush set and bag. Then from Beauty Blender, they have a liquid cleanser as well as this hair care sea salt spray. So really excited about that. And I love that they give you the actual, what the retail is, and that just helps your decision, I think. It helps mine. So the next item is the $12 full-size products. And this is from Kinship. It's a pimple potion. This Kinship, I had the opportunity to try in my GLAM bag. I got a sample of the papaya cleanser, and I really, really enjoyed it. The next item also, this was a choice that I made in my GLAM bag plus last month, and I just started using this a few days ago, and I matched it up with their cleanser, and I'm enjoying this so much. Your skin drinks it in. It doesn't leave your skin sticky or anything. I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try this brand. And this is, like it says, a $62 value, and you can try it for $12. The next item is this Glow On Fifth. It is a Bye Bye Puff Eyes. This Glow On Fifth is another product I got in my GLAM bag. Not this product, but their night cream. And I've been using it for the last 3 evenings, and I'm enjoying it as well. The next item is from Payot Paris. This is also one that I started to read up about because I did get it and I haven't had the opportunity to use it yet. And I'm really excited. It is such an expensive looking jar. And I'm really excited to give myself the opportunity to try that next. Then here we have the foam cleanser, which is the one I just told you about, and I'm really enjoying it. The next one here is, I'm not familiar with this at all. It's Bio Mayo. It is a matte rescue ampule set. Then from Violet Voss, they're giving us a choice of this Pinky Promise eyeshadow palette. And for Shiana B. Miami, a mini blush and highlighter palette. The next items here, I just got this last month in my Plus. I think this is a cute kit, but I haven't opened it up yet to play with it. This is the $1 Billion Brows Best Brow Tool Kit ever. It comes with the scissors, the tweezer, and the brush with the spoolie. This Beauty Blender Original Sponge. Beauty blenders, we know, are $20 every day of the week. So for $12, if you haven't had the opportunity to try a beauty blender, which is the original beauty sponge, I would recommend it highly. Right beside it, they have the Platinum Shampoo. This would be new to me. And another product from R&Co, which this is, I think, new to the IPSY family. So I'm excited that this is R&Co is a good brand. And this is also the GLAM bag exclusive. So it might not be available to everybody. It might just be for GLAM bag X people. The next item is the $3 section, which you know is my favorite section. So here we go. The Benefit Cosmetics, this is the Roller Lash Mascara in black. The Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit is one of their best mascaras. It is really good. If you haven't had the opportunity to try it, this is where I tell everyone to try their mascaras, because the formula and the brush are the same in the large size, and these are usually over $20 mascaras. So this is where I tell you guys to always try your mascaras. The next one is from Morphe. There's some lashes. Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Not familiar with that line, but the $3 section is usually where I like to try a lot of these lines. And I also try sometimes to buy at least 5 of the $3 sections if there's of interest to me. And then I create my own customized bag and I share that with you guys. And usually it's either brands that I'm familiar with and I want to just try something else from that brand, or it's where I have the opportunity to try a new brand. And like I said, for $3, that's where you do it. That's where I do it anyways. So the next one is the Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm. If you don't know if you're going to like a cleansing balm, the $3 section is where you do it. It's something that emulsifies. You take it out, it's solid, and then it becomes almost like an oil on your hands, and it helps you remove your makeup. The next is from Naked Cosmetics. This is a really good product. This is their lip scrub in vanilla cream. Benefit Cosmetics. I'm loving that they're showing a lot of Benefit. This is the Love Tint. This is a cheek stain. I got these years ago. I'm not a lover of these cheek stains, but that's just me. But if you like to stain your lips or your cheeks, this is the way to do it. It comes out like a nail polish wand. You put it on your cheeks and you rub it in. The next is from Koki Cosmetics. This is a setting spray. These little setting sprays are fantastic to have beside your bed, at your desk at work, or travel. So for $3, I think this is a nice way to see if this is something that you would like. And this is their Refresh one, which means it's something you can use throughout the day. The next item are ones I think that I already own. These are the quad palettes in Secret Society from Illuminate Cosmetics. And here's all the different color choices that you can get. And for $3 to get a 4-piece quad, I think is fantastic. YC Collection, this is a loose setting powder. And YC, they look like they have them in a bunch of different colors. Like I said, click on and you will see the color choices, and then you'll make that decision for yourself. Then from Carmela Cosmetics, that's really something new. This is the Silk Matte Lipstick in Bitten. Then they have one also in High Vibe. Then they have Sophia Mabel. This looks like a lip slick lip oil. I enjoy lip oils. Then from Farrah, here's a brush. These are usually full-size brushes in the $3 section. I always love that. Then from Laboratories, this is a brand that I think is new to me. I'm going to have to check my notes. And then after that, This Works is also a new brand. This is a brand that I've seen in a lot in the FabFitFuns. Then Raw Sugar Living. If you watched my last IPSY customized bag, you saw that I grabbed as much as I could from this brand. It's a brand that I really enjoy. This is also a brand that's very, the price, like $3, is usually, the difference of the prices is very, very minor. So if it's a brand that you want to try, and you don't have access to it, this is a great place to get it. Mercy Handy is one of my favorite hand creams, and looks like they have some hand sanitizers from this brand now. And then they have a nourishing body wash from a brand I don't know. And then Mark Anthony, they seem to be showing that in a lot of the bags now. And then Pure Brazilian, this is a leave-in conditioner. This is also one I would recommend. Fox Bay, I got a bunch of these masks in a kit, and I haven't had the opportunity to use them yet. Then they have a salt scalp scrub. Salt scalp scrubs are starting to show up in a lot of different boxes. I'm seeing it over and over again. I haven't had the opportunity to try it, but supposedly it's very healthy to do this to your scalp. The next item is Design Me Hair. This looks like a gloss for your hair. Then it says Smells Like Fun Perfume Petal Party. I don't know if these are, when you travel, it's sometimes you want to take these. I'm going to have to check what this is. But if it is what I think it is, it's those little cloths that, you know, usually when after you eat at a Chinese restaurant, they give you these little wet cloths. These are these perfumed cloths that are inside. So these are fantastic to travel with because you don't have to worry about the liquid. And here there's a basic tweezer for $3. And if you haven't tried these scrunchies from Kitsch, these satin ones, they are fantastic and I would highly recommend them. And then in the $3 section, I think that is an absolute win. So that's everything that's here. I'm going to do some shopping. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So once again, happy shopping to everybody. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do, because then you'll get to see what I chose in my bags. It is free. It's the red button you see right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. I always recommend you pressing the button beside it, which is the bell. And that is the notification bell. It will inform you that I just uploaded a brand new video. This way, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today, you won't miss out. So I hope you will subscribe, press that bell, and don't forget, if you're enjoying my content, to give me that thumbs up that's found right underneath the video. As always, I appreciate that you take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. And I always like to end my videos to say, please, everybody, continue to stay safe so we can all stay well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.